Hello and welcome to Satva's Diwali series with Dr. Aruna Iyengar. Here we are talking about our health, diet, skin and hair and how we need to take care of all of these with respect to the festive season and the winter season. As we all know, with Diwali, a lot of pollution levels in our cities and states go up. Of course, that is also the reason behind all the cracker bans that we are hearing about. Apart from that, we also have corona troubling us, and the winter season brings with it lots of colds and coughs and infections. This is bound to affect our lungs, and to make our lungs healthier and stronger, I would like to ask Dr. Aruna if there are any special Ayurvedic concoctions that you could suggest us that we could prepare at home very easily with the easily available ingredients, which will be very useful, beneficial to strengthen our lungs. Please go ahead.
Yes. First of all, it all depends on how much of the infection or how much of your nasal passage or the lungs have been affected because of all what you said. If at all a person is having a running nose, then all he can do is he can inhale steam, that is water. Where you can just put a drop of any balm like Vicks, or you can also just put a piece of camphor also. Even that inhaled will also ease out the nasal passages. And for any upper lung infections or any conditions, what we can do is we can actually take a few leaves of holy basil, that is the purple tulsi, 5 to 6 leaves. We can in maybe a half a glass of water. To that itself, we can add a few pieces of betel leaf. Okay, we can just cut that and we can put it as a few pieces. And again, we can add fresh ginger and a little bit of maybe black pepper, or 1 or 2 black peppers crushed and put it. And for a little bit of taste or sweet, and definitely even which is also coming for the throat, we can also add rock candy sugar for in the decoction. You can boil that, filter it, and you can sip it like maybe 3 to 4 spoons. You can sip it and feel relaxed.
All right.
That is one thing. And apart from that, you can just chew the betel leaf itself, a little portion of the betel leaf, or just chew tulsi leaves itself. Even these two will also help in easing out all the conditions.
All right. So we all heard how tulsi can be really effective, holy basil, and especially purple tulsi. So Dr. Aruna suggested how we can make a concoction with tulsi and black pepper, with jaggery or rock sugar candy, and just sip on a few spoons of it every day. That will help us clean the nasal tract, keep infections at bay, and also strengthen our lungs. So thank you so much, Dr. Aruna, for this wonderful and simple recipe, which I think almost all of us can make very easily at home. Thank you so much for that wonderful answer. Stay tuned for our next question with Dr. Aruna in our following videos.